Hey everyone, welcome back to the Perfect Pairs series. I'm Dr. Watts for Biogenetix, a doctor of chiropractic and an expert in functional medicine and clinical nutrition. This Perfect Pairs series is all about CoQ10. You remember that all-important antioxidant from school. I know you do. The cardiovascular effects, anti-inflammation, pro-metabolism, even supports your central nervous system. CoQ10 is one of the most important antioxidants that your body can utilize. It has wide-ranging effects and is a therapeutic target for many patients dealing with chronic disease. Some people are genetically predisposed to not absorbing certain forms of CoQ10. We have ubiquinol, ubiquinone. There's this whole conversation on which form is better. Can you absorb it? And we need to hit pause right there, because the Liposomal Technology that Biogenetix wraps CoQ10 with allows us to avoid that mess altogether. Biogenetix CoQ10 is part of our BioG-Max series lineup. That means CoQ10 is wrapped in a liposome for increased absorption, passive diffusion across membrane layers. That means higher yields. That means what you put in your mouth is actually getting into your physiology instead of being destroyed in your gut. And if you've done any research at all on CoQ10, you know absorption is important. A question I often get is, Doctor, how do I pair patients with the right products? How do I connect them with something that's actually going to improve their health outcome? Well, at Biogenetix, it's all about change. We want to have an impact on the patient's laboratory chemistry. And the best way to do that is to work in systems. On that note, one of my favorite things to pair BioG-Max CoQ10 with is a Metabolic Clearing Kit. Whether you're using a deluxe kit or a basic kit, what you're doing is you're supporting your patient's ability to detoxify. The Metabolic Clearing Kits are going to support phase 1, 2, and 3 liver detoxification. The result is enhanced inflammatory balance, detox pathways that are compatible with normal metabolism, and oftentimes weight loss. By pairing BioG-Max CoQ10 with a Metabolic Clearing Kit, what you're doing is you're enhancing the support provided to the patient's mitochondria, those powerhouses of every cell of the body. BioG-Max CoQ10 enhances inflammatory control, improves detoxification efficiency, and promotes proper metabolism by controlling the amount of reactive oxygen species produced. BioG-Max CoQ10 is an easy plug and play with the Metabolic Clearing Kits, especially when you're supporting patients that have type 2 diabetes, especially when you're supporting patients that have fatty liver changes, especially when you're supporting patients that have autoimmune conditions. Improving patients' health and outcomes is often nothing more than figuring out how to stop pouring gas on the fire. If you'd like more information on how BioG-Max CoQ10 can support your patient's health, check out the webinar in the Learning Library. Once again, I'm Dr. Watts for Biogenetix, a doctor of chiropractic and an expert in functional medicine and clinical nutrition.